Good morning, boys and girls. Today, make sure that you are doing your checklist, that you are dragging each check mark over as you complete each assignment, and that this gets turned in at the end of the day. And then for ELA, what you are going to be doing is opening up your slides and then putting your first and your last name here, and then reading your directions. And then we have a Huxley's Adventure pixel art. So you're going to make sure you go to Google Classroom and you are going to open up your pixel art. Okay, you're going to open up your pixel art and it says to answer each question by going back to the text to find evidence. Then type the answer in the yellow text box. When you click out of the text box, you will see color fill in the picture to the right. If the answer is wrong, you will see black fill in some spots of the picture. If the answer is wrong, go back to the passage for evidence and try it again. So you're going to go here to the Huxley's Adventure, and if you need to make it larger, make sure that you utilize here your magnifying glass, okay, and that you can go to, go to about 150%. And then you're going to type in your answers here in the text box. Do not type it here. You're going to type it here in the text box. And for example, if it were to turn black, then you would go back and reread the passage. But make sure you're always reading the passage first. And then you're going to go back to your slides. And today, boys and girls, we're doing a grammar review, articles A and an. You're going to click on the teacher made link to complete the articles A and assignment. Be sure to select I'm done on teacher made and to check all work before turning it in. So you're going to click on your teacher made and you're going to begin with Google. Okay, make it larger. And articles A and an. And here it says you use the word A before nouns or adjectives that begin with a consonant sound. Like I ate a pancake. P starts with a consonant, so you start it with A. Okay, a pancake. I ate a pancake for breakfast. And then here for an, it says use the word an before nouns or adjectives that begin with a vowel sound. So I ate an egg for breakfast. E is a vowel, so our article is an. I ate an egg for breakfast. So here what you are going to do is select the correct article in the drop down that completes each sentence. So we rode a or an elephant at the zoo. So you need to select your article here. There are 14 total questions, and you're going to check your work. Make sure you've answered all questions and that you put your first and your last name. Then you select I'm done on teacher made and go back to your Google Slides, boys and girls. And then you're going to go to Lexia. Make sure you open up your Lexia data sheet. You are completing your 4 units. Your daily goal today is to have your 16 since it's the end of our school week. And if you are done with your goal for the week before you even arrived at the Lexia slide, you put a capital C in the box in each gray text box. And then you are going to go to your next slide, and please make sure you're reading the directions here because it says you must complete all work to be counted present. And so you turn in your ELA slides and then go ahead and work on your next set of slides, which are your math. And boys and girls, make sure that you are working on AR, that you are making sure you have your 3 tests with your 80% accuracy, and that you are making sure you have met your goal for the entire week. And if you have any questions, please make sure that you reach out to me on GoGuardian or on Google Classroom because I will be available to answer your questions, and I will be available also to meet with you on Google Meet if you need to work with me if you have any trouble with anything. Okay, boys and girls, bye.